Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a haul. As you guys know, I don't really shop that much, but I kind of spoil myself. Also, my fiance spoiled me as well. So yeah, let's just get right into it and show you guys. So first things first, I'm gonna start with Sephora. Here's a little baggie. You guys know the bag of Sephora, of course. So yeah, pretty much I got this coupon in the mail for the Beauty Insider coupon, and I got something that I've been wanting to try, but I got the sample size. You know me, I go for the sample size first, and then if I really like it, then I'll get the regular price. So let's take out the tissue paper. I got the Tatcha, what is this? It's moisturizer and cleanser. So I believe this is the deep cleanser right here, and this is a moisturizer. So yeah, I got this from Sephora. Also, my fiance bought me this little egg. I call it little eggs, but they're beauty blenders. From Elf, and they were only $4, and it comes in like a little ornament. How cute is that? Is Bath and Body Works. So everyone and their mamas are like seriously into Bath and Body Works right now, because you know Bath and Body Works, they come out with the new scents like around this time of year. So I actually bought a new one because the last one I bought, like, ya me lo acabé in like 2 weeks. So I bought this one. This is the gooey marshmallow, I think. Well, it looks like this. I like the packaging as well. So it has torch marshmallow, brown sugar, and caramel drizzled. So, and this, I already burned it like last night. It smells good. So I got it. And also, the reason why I bought this one was because I found these little ones. As you can tell, I still have them on the little packaging. I found these little ones that I straight out fell in love with, and I asked them if they had like a bigger version of them, but they didn't. So I had to like find it, and this was like the only one that was close to it, and I bought it. So this one is spiced gingerbread, the cocoa coffee, and it has vanilla icing, cinnamon sugar, and French ground nutmeg. So these little ones retail for $14.50, and when I bought them, they were on sale for buy two and get them for $16. And obviously I had to get 2 of these if I really did love them that much. Look at this. Look at this. Either way, I'm gonna burn it, so it doesn't really matter. I'm not really picky about that. But I had to get 2 of these.
Oh my god, smells good.
So this was like the only one that would smell kind of close to it. And for the big one, this one, it came out to be, is it this one? Yeah, $14.50. I got this one. You guys know that these retailed normally for $24.50, and then the other ones I got them for $8 each, so $16. Oh yes, yes. I got my little candles. My candles. Yes. Yes. Okay, next thing is Rue 21. So now we're going into clothing. You guys know I don't really shop for clothes at all, and you guys know that my favorite store to shop is Rue. So we're going to start with some Rue. So I got some chonies right here. They were for $1. Like in regular price, they're $3.99, and I got them for $1. And these were the chonies that I bought, just lazy. And then I bought these other chonies, and these were $3.99 as well. And they were for $1 as well. Got these ones. Okay, enough with the chonies. So that's cool. And next thing, I got some socks. I got some ice cream socks. Donut ones too. I already wore them, but they're from the same pack. And it comes with just those basic pink ones. But the ice cream and donut ones are cute. And this is what I really wanted from Rue. And my fiance bought me. This is what he bought me. Yes, he bought me this. Yes. So it's a jean jacket, and normally I don't really like jean jackets, but I mean, I saw this one and I loved it. And when I saw it, I saw like a lot of in my mind, like how I could dress it up and how it would look nice. So I will have it right here for you guys how it looks, but like on me. But this is how it looks, like aparte, like, so it's just this dress, and it has this dress right here, this dress on the other side, on the sleeves, the collar of the jacket, and all on the back. And so like they should have given you like a discount, like so ripped off. Obviously, guys, they don't know fashion. Like, you know, they don't know fashion. But yeah, I thought it was cute, and I promise I'm gonna wear it and dress it up. So yes, as you can see in the picture, well, not picture, in the video, this is how I'm dressing it up, how it looks on me. So these items I already worn. So one of the items is this like little vest. It's like pretty big on me, but it's a size small. And I saw it on the mannequin, like on their display, but I saw it in burgundy, and it was really, really cute. And I'm like, I want a like a black one, but they didn't have a black one, so I got it like a nude. And it's so soft, you guys, like literally like soft, like really soft. So I got this. What I like about it is it has like a little hoodie. It has a hoodie, and it also has pockets like right here, and the little belt. And the way I dressed it up, because I already wore it, is with this top. No, it's inside out. Let me just fix it. Let me fix it for you guys. Hold on, just 1 second. 1 second. Okay, here we go. This is turtleneck. As you could tell, it's all covered in pelusa because I already wore it with it. So here's again a little video clip of how I dressed it up with both items, with this and the vest. And also, I mean, it could go perfectly well with this white one as well. I bought a white one, a white turtleneck. I don't know why, like when it's like this time around, I'm like into turtlenecks. Next up is Charlie Russe. I barely shopped there because it is expensive, but I saw these items and I thought they were cute. I think everything's cute. So yeah, I've been into yellow. Have I mentioned that? I mean, I am wearing yellow right now, so I saw this cropped sweater, and it's like hella bright yellow, but on the sleeves it says baby girl, and it's soft inside. So I really, really liked it, and as you can see how it looks on me. Y'all, does it look good, y'all? Okay, so that was that. And then the second thing, I already wore this one, was this top right here. It's like a little sweater material as well, with these and sleeves. It's an extra small, but when I wore it, I noticed that the sleeves are kind of like a little bit more down. So I think I could have gone with this like a regular small. I have something from I think this store, which is like these earrings from there, and also I bought these other ones, like, you know, some chola earrings. Every time I see these, I think about cholas. Like, I think of like every chola would wear these, but like bigger. And I'm assuming like those bigger ones would be heavier. So yeah, they were for buy one get the other one free, I think, or like 50% off. Yeah, 50% off. So buy one get the other one. Alright, you guys, so that's pretty much it for my collective haul. I hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, if you guys want me to do any other hauls, like Christmas coming around, I mean, who knows, I might get some Christmas gifts, I might not, but I have been nice. I've been a good girl, I promise. So yes, so if you guys want to see my Christmas haul whenever Christmas ends and Christmas gifts are given, just let me know. Or you want me to do like a Christmas video ideas for like people, Christmas gift ideas. Also, if you guys want me to do Vlogmas, just let me know. It will help me like start doing videos again, because if you guys know, I did stop doing videos a little bit, but that was because I'm in school. So I have like a good excuse. I've been busy with school. It's getting a little stressful. I'm almost done. I got 3 more months for my externship. So yeah, if you guys want me to do an updated video about like how school going, just let me know. And yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Don't quote me on that when it's gonna come out, but yeah, love you.